Hey everyone, my name is Adi. In part 1 and 2 of this series, we drew the eyes and the nose. Today we will add the lips to the portrait. I will leave links to the previous videos and a link to our reference, an image of the painting of Élisabeth Vigée Brun. Let's begin. To understand where the mouth is located, look at your model or reference photo. In this case, the distance from the bottom of the nose to the upper lip is smaller than the size of the iris. You need to ask yourself how far are the lips from the nose and the chin. If you draw a line from the edges of the mouth to the eye, you will see that the line from the mouth almost reaches the center of the eye. Where the lips meet, there is a line that is deep. This line isn't straight at all. It has ups and downs. The width of the line can change too. Ask yourself, what is the distance between this line and the ends of the lips in each point? The upper part of the upper lip has ups and downs too. The bottom lip tends to be bigger than the upper lip. I'm not pressing my pencil. I don't want to create dark lines. There is no dark line around the lips. If you look closely at yourself at the mirror, you will see that there is a line in a light shade of color above the upper lip. So don't draw a dark frame around the lips. Just like we did in the nose and the eyes, we will not leave the lines by themselves. We will fill areas that will connect to them. Nothing stands alone in a portrait. The shadows in the face tend to touch or almost touch one another. I make the center line darker. It's better to add the darker line after you are sure with what you drew, because darker lines are harder to erase. If you want to learn more about how to draw with a pencil and different techniques of drawing with pencil, I will leave a link of a video about this subject. I am starting to draw inside the lips to fill the area. I am drawing the upper lip first, connecting the guidelines. There are points where it is a bit darker above, but it doesn't continue in the same level of darkness all the way. I can see a less dark line above the middle line of the lips. The lip is not a flat surface. There is a hill in the middle. That hill, that elevated part, blocks some of the light, so there will be a shadow beside it. Because I'm connecting the areas that I'm filling to the guideline above the lip, this guideline will disappear, because they will be connected. The sockets beside the mouth are deeper and are in shadow, so they are darker. You can use eraser pencil to create white fine lines. Now I will start to draw inside the bottom lip. Because the light comes from the upper left corner, the lower left part will be in shadow. It's also darker when it's close to the center line. The right side of the lower lip is connected to a shadow. That shadow also continues underneath the lip. It's actually better not to show a clear boundary. So we will let the lip blend, fade away into the shadow beside it. The lower lip tends to be more elevated than the upper lip. The shadows around the lip and inside the lip are important to show that it's higher. The shadow underneath the nose that we started to draw in the previous video is connected to the upper lip. The shadow underneath the bottom lip is strong, and it's darker closer to the lip and gradually fade away. I can see highlights in the highest points of the lip. I will leave them in the white of the paper and draw around them. If you want to show texture, you can draw the lines on the lips. Each line is made from a dark line and a light line. We talked about it in the video about leaves. It's important to pay attention to the direction of the lines. They will have to follow the curves of the lips. We are about to finish the lips. After all the elements of the face are done, it's easier to add the frame of the face. The chin is in about the same length of the nose. Measure the distances between each element of the face to the frame and make marking for yourself. Draw guidelines and build up the shape slowly. After you are happy with the result, delete the extra lines. The ears are about the same length of the nose. I want to thank you so much for watching. I know that drawing portraits is difficult, and I hope that this series of videos will be useful to you. We will talk about different subjects and materials in the next weeks. It's good to do a variety of things. There are more things that we can talk about that are related to portraits. How to draw ears, how to draw hair, how to draw a smile, how to draw children, how to paint skin tones, and so on. You can let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next. If you want to practice and improve in drawing portraits, then drawing by copying the artworks of the masters is a good way to learn. Thank you again for watching until the end. See you soon. Bye bye.